Yeah, that's good vibes.
What's up guys, it's your boy DJ and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be installing an exhaust, and first off I want to thank you guys for all the support lately, like on the channel. Like we've been getting a good amount of subscribers and a lot of views on the video. You actually blew up one of my reels and the last video that I just made, and I really appreciate you guys for all of that. But over here we got Marlton. Say hi.
What's going on, guys?
He actually drives the white 350Z over there. Zendeo. Let's see. Okay. Mr. Hot Boy just hard parking it. Security? You don't want no one taking your oil, your gas?
Gas, my wheels.
Your wheels? Nah, you right. What's good, bro?
This is the vlog.
Yeah, this is the vlog. Yo, say what's up.
What's going on?
Yeah, get in it. Yo, this is where you found my boy. IS300 right there. 10 minutes away.
These gas prices.
Nah,
Yeah,
you
said with these gas prices, but he's popping down the road.
Yeah, bro, I just paid like $6.22 a gallon.
622.
I told you this man Carl was way too pretty to get under the car, bro. He just sitting over there with his hat on. Waiting for what?
Let's see you, Brody.
I need I think it's a 12 on the other side. So which way is reverse? I mean loose. Is this
Lefty
loose?
Lucy.
Fam. Is this lucid? Like what was good? Mine is different. Is this loose?
This is ready.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. It's not about personality matrix chart. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
You move just like that, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Just like Calvin?
Yeah.
You a chotch. He's a chotch.
What's a chop?
What's a chotch?
Yeah, what's a chop?
It's hard to explain, bro.
Like a black.
You just gotta know.
Nah, chotch is like, it's hard to explain.
Like someone who moves sus.
A chotch is just like a dumbass, like
A dumbass?
Yeah, that's what I call chotch.
Got it.
Oh,
I caught that shit though.
nah, he saved your life. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I saved your life.
Yeah, resonator.
Why they beat it on like this?
Great questions. I guess for fitting reasons, I don't know. But exhaust officially off. You know, should we just start for the one time?
Yeah.
Start for the one time?
Started for the one time. Yo, pretty boy Sean. You already know I just carried that shit.
You didn't carry
So all your car needs, hit me up. I'm a RN on the side, not no registered nurse, you feel me? Not yet. So whatever you need, yo, hit me up. I'ma see you.
Yeah, we'll catch you.
Carl, pretty boy. Get dirty for me, bro.
I got it.
Carl wants to catch the air up. Don't violate my exhaust. That shit got an exhaust leak and it's rattling. But I'm gonna get it fixed though in a couple days. How do y'all know about this? Watch this. yo.
Alright, yo.
I'm gonna catch you guys, alright?
Safety.
So as you see, we got the, the instruction manual. We don't use that. We don't use those out here. We're going straight in. We're gonna figure it out. We don't know what the hell we're doing, but we're mechanics, right? Certified mechanics?
Certified mechanic.
Certified mechanics.
Certified mechanic.
Love to hear that. But right now, as you see, this is the muffler. But it's kind of like a cannon. It's kind of cool. We got the tip. Pause. And then we got the resonator, the backpipe, and yeah, imagine that person in the front yard just recording us. It's like, yeah, they're putting on exhaust, they're making the car louder. We gotta record them with cops. That's how it should fit. Alright, hold this.
Hold it, GoPro?
Actually, no, I can tripod it. What am I talking about?
I just need two hands because I need someone to like physically like pull it into there. If you see what I'm saying.
Go down.
Ooh, okay, you want to put that one in first?
Yeah, put it. Push.
Like, you know what I'm saying?
You know what? No, we're gonna start from the backpack.
Yeah.
All right, so we're done. We're beat. Carl's over here dancing because he's excited. Exhaust is on. This is how it looks like. And we're about to start her up. I think it sounds identical. As the last car?
No.
You think it sounds louder?
Yes.
Or deeper?
Both. That is not the same sound as your last car.
The tone sounds deeper.
Yes.
I will say that. But it sounds
That is
just as loud.
No.
Well, there's only one.
Oh, that's better.
There we go.
Yeah, that sounds more like your last car.
Well, there's only one way to find out now. Lower this car, take it for a drive. Let's get a few revels in. You know, y'all can probably barely see me right now. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. DJ approves. What's your thoughts, Carl?
My thoughts?
Yeah, what's
pretty
your
good.
thoughts?
It sounds better than the last gen. It sounds better than the last gen, in my opinion.
I kind of like it. I like the deepness. The deepness. That thing is loud. That thing sounds epic, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, HKS really did a great job with that sound system, like, well, exhaust system, but it sounds amazing. It's deep, it's loud, just loud enough. I don't really want it to be any louder, but I'm loving the sound. Yo, why are you here? Oh, you're here to flex on us again?
Yo, where's the exhaust?
It's on.
It's on?
It's on.
You guys got it on?
Yeah, we got it on.
Just now?
Just now.
Damn, I wanna hear it.
Bro, I just turned off the car. But nah, I appreciate your help, gang. I appreciate it.
Nope.
Thank you for watching today's video, guys. I really appreciate it, especially for all the love and support that's been happening on the channels. We actually got a bunch of new subscribers, a lot of views as well on my last video. I didn't expect the last few videos to do that well, to be completely honest with you. Like, you guys blew it up, and I really thank you for that. Also want to say a special thank you for Carl and Sean for helping me put on my exhaust. Their Instagrams will be linked in the bio below or the description. And like I said, I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching my videos and supporting me. But if you guys enjoy, you may leave a like and subscribe. There's more to the build in the future. At the moment, we're going to be going to a few meets, autocross, but we're just slowly building this car. But I appreciate every one of you guys, and thank you. Have a nice day.